Today, we are unboxing the Seiko Presage Limited Edition SPB538J1. It comes in a special limited edition wooden box, a long, elegant presentation box. This watch celebrates 145 years of Seiko watchmaking. Inside, we find the watch carefully wrapped in protective plastic. Up close, the dial immediately stands out. It features a smooth white enamel dial with slim Roman numerals. Each enamel dial is unique due to the high-temperature firing process. The case is made of stainless steel. The case diameter is 35 millimeters. The thickness is 12.3 millimeters. The watch comes on a black leather strap. The lug width is 11 millimeters. Inside, the watch is powered by the Seiko 6R51 automatic movement. It offers a power reserve of approximately 72 hours. The size wears elegantly and comfortably.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.